Okay, so hello, I'm Siddhesh Kukade, and today in this video we'll be talking about the plugin features in Talawa web app on the web version of the mobile app, and we'll also understanding the logic part of the code. So let us start one by one. So if you've been following previously, you may have understand that from this video, which is Talawa plugins explained here. So if you watch this video, you'll understand what is the reason behind this feature. So it is intended to toggle the features and ability to control the features in the mobile app. So for example, this is the interface of the mobile app, and we should be able to toggle the main features of them, and we should be also able to extend these features. For example, currently we are providing these 5 features, so there should be a way so that we can control these features on the scope of an organization. This is the admin panel, which basically can control how these features are being toggled there. So before explaining anything, let us start with the very first thing. So make sure your API is running. As you can see, it is running here, and then make sure that your admin app is also running. After that, basically, so now we will log out from everything to show you. So I'm logging. Okay, so just for the context, there are two versions of the website of Talawa app. The first version is the normal, which is Talawa admin. So by logging into this, it will log you in as an admin, and the second one is this /user, which is intended for the end users only. So by logging in this, it will log you as a user. So basically these are two different applications, but they are on the same domain but on a different subdomain. So as you can see, org list and /user organizations. So we can go on to any of the organizations. Let's click on the first one. So I'm here on the user side of it, and so we need to manage the same organization from here as well. So let us say I make sure that the org IDs are same on the both sides. Okay, as you can see, first org and first org here as well. So it is working. Now let us go to plugin store and let's check. Okay, so and here you can see that this is plugin store. We have chats, events, and all the features which are enabled here, and we have an option to uninstall them. Okay, so if we click on uninstall, it will disappear from here. So to see it in action, let me click on uninstall. Okay, so let us uninstall chats. Click on uninstall. The feature is now removed from the org. As we can see, the chat just disappeared from here. Now let's say I change my mind and I want to install it again. Clicking on this, now enabled in the org, and it is come back here. So we can also take a look as like side by side. Okay, I think this will work. So uninstall here, the chats should disappear, and install, the chats come back up here again. Same works for other features as well. For example, donation has disappeared, and clicking install, donations comes back up. So I hope you have understood the overview of it. So now let's see how it is working in code. So previously I have explained these mutations and subscriptions that I have added, that basically notifies the app whenever the changes are detected. So basically we have made changes on this organization navbar file. So the first change is adding this default data. So this is default data which handles all, which are the default features that will be provided to the navbar, and then they will be manipulated based on their installation status. And then this is the function to get the plugin index if it is present in our database, and this is the function which checks if the current if the current org ID is present in the uninstalled org ID or not. If the current org ID is present, then we delete it from there. and this is basically how we're manipulating the data, and then I'm passing in the data in the form of this nav links user interface. And yes, these are the main changes. Uh, as we can see, the code is not that much organized right now, so I will organize the code a bit and make it more cleaner, and then we'll add it in the pull request. Thank you.